Hey friends, if you wish to fix Japanese keyboard not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select language and region in the right pane and then click on add a language. Make sure that Japanese is selected here. Click on this and click on next and then install it. Now wait. Merely installing it does not make it the default language. That is why it may not be working. You will have to click on these three dots and keep moving it up till it reaches the absolute top. Even in that case, it may not be the Windows display language because that will be English United States for most English keyboards, but you can still make it the default language for a lot of applications. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.